guys, welcome back to my channel Code and Play. In this video we are going to learn how to install Python and Kivy on Windows step by step. Kivy is a powerful Python framework used to build cross-platform applications and graphical user interfaces. So if you want to create Python apps, mobile apps or GUI applications, this tutorial will help you set up everything on your system. Let's get started. First open your browser. I am opening Google Chrome. Now in the search bar type Python. Press enter. You will see the official Python website at the top. Click on the first link, which is python.org. After opening the Python website, click on downloads, then select Windows. Here we will download Python 3.10.4 because the Kivy framework works very well with this version. Click on download Python 3.10.4. The file will start downloading. Once the download is completed, open the installer. Before installing, make sure to check option Add Python to Path. This is very important. Now click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click Close. Now we will install Kivy using pip. Press Windows key and search for cmd. Open command prompt. First we will check whether the Python is installed correctly and verify the version. Here you should see Python 3.10.4, which confirms that Python is installed successfully. Now we will install Kivy framework. Pip install Kivy. Type the command. Press enter and the installation will begin. This takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installing Kivy, it is always a good practice to upgrade pip to the latest version. Now we will check whether the Kivy is working properly by running the example program provided with Kivy. Finally, we will install Kivy MD, which is a material design framework for Kivy that helps us create more modern and beautiful user interfaces. Type the command pip install KivyMD, press enter, and KivyMD will start installing. Once the installation is complete, you are ready to start building modern GUI applications using Python, Kivy, and KivyMD. And that's it. Now you have successfully installed Python, Kivy, and KivyMD on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Code and Play for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.